Hi all, my name is Erica Clemens and I'm a senior economist with Bright MLS. Unfortunately, there's going to be a delay in our weekly statistics for the week ending May 18th. We've had an issue with our showings information, so we're going to be taking that out of the report and putting the rest of the numbers on the website as soon as possible. In the meantime, please take advantage of using some of our other resources. Last week was our monthly housing market update webinar, and you can review this recording as well as the slides on the Bright MLS website. And before you head over to the Bright MLS website, check out other valuable information such as our Q1 luxury report. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe on whatever social media platform you're using, and then head over to the data.